this shit on. Nah, cause this stupid nigga man got me tight. I paid for this shit, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck is you asking all these questions for?
Yo.
It's starting to slip, the transmission. You heard me, man?
What the fuck that shit is.
It's the transmission.
Listen to the music, though.
Yeah, listen to that bullshit ass music.
Crazy. Oh shit, man. I can't believe this shit.
I don't believe it either.
Fuck, we get out here to this shit just.
That's why I'm ready to take a chance.
Hot ass girl.
Home, like I said, man.
Hot ass little girl.
Yeah, fuck them little bitches. It might not be the transmission. It might be, like I said, something else. I'm trying to figure out. Tight.
That shit fucked up, man. We can't do nothing. Just turn this shit off. We keep letting this shit run for no reason. See?
Yeah, it gotta be something. It's saying battery. You heard me, man?
Engine, ain't saying nothing about. Oh, battery up there too.
Yeah. Could be the battery.
Come on,